For a very limited time, join our giveaways and take the chances to win with us. Just check the description.
A remarkable name, isn't it, which is very huge. Have you ever known about it? Then, at that point, the present moment is the second to inform yourself about it, or so they truly thought. It might appear to be an account, yet that is the means by which this exceptional computerized cashless process started at first. According to the information, Dogecoin for the most part bears this weird yet particularly alluring name, which turned into a mascot of a Japanese type of dog called Shiba Inu and consequently Doge. After that, this quickly developing cryptographic money turned into a renowned name, Dogecoin. What is a Dogecoin? One of the most famous purposes of Dogecoin by and large is tipping individual web attendees who create or share incredible substance. It sort of bears more worth principally because of its easy-to-understand framework in a significant manner. No savvy preparing, no really unique mastery expected in a significant manner. It is effectively viable with your PC, cell phone, or site. Dogecoin is like purchasing any products in stores through charge cards. The main thing where Dogecoin stands separated is that Doge is utilized with a wallet to purchase labor and products or truly purchase Dogecoin with Bitcoin or government-issued types of money. Dogecoin was intended to be a cordial, significantly more congenial type of digital currency that could essentially arrive at clients put off by the chilly intricacy of Bitcoin in an unpretentious manner. Indeed, even its name in a real sense is taken from a famous internet image. A decision component of Dogecoin today is a tipping administration. Clients will tip different clients for posts or commitments they accept generally merit acknowledgement. It is a kind of more compelling way than just like on any virtual entertainment stage that urges different clients to peruse the survey and be captivated to purchase Dogecoin. Ceaseless online entertainment publicity by retail financial backers accounts Dogecoin digital currency to constantly dominate recently sent off canine coins like Shiba Inu. Dogecoin technical analysis. At the point when markets have neither rhyme nor reason, when essentials never again appear to issue, it turns out to be clear the standards are being revamped or even tossed through the window. We could be in the imaginative obliteration stage that will sort of give way to another flood of advancement. Furthermore, in that wave, new kinds of resources could have a good spot in portfolios, or so they in every practical sense thought. In the meantime, the untethered idea of current value rationale is upsetting, and an update that imaginative obliteration can generally be horrible to those trapped in the change. Vulnerability especially isn't great for trust, and an absence of trust sort of isn't great for progress. No big surprise, not at all like all digital currencies, Dogecoin esteem also was vulnerable to the especially high and lows of market esteem, i.e., cost vacillations. According to the specialized examination of Dogecoin, it also could come in the stuff of unpredictability, so you really want to keep an eye out for your speculation. You really want to peruse the digital money cost estimate and be truly ready. In spite of the historical backdrop of tempests and twisters in the digital money market, there is a fair Dogecoin future, or so they thought. The transient assessment for the prompt help level is $0.051. The essential help level especially is 3 cents, while the qualities for the quick and significant obstruction levels really are $0.121 and $0.166, individually. In any case, throughout the past year, computerized monetary standards have seen a huge unpredictability stage, and Dogecoin truly is no exemption. The general digital currency market capitalization has denoted a massive change, including Dogecoin's market cap too incredibly. Nonetheless, we genuinely must know the variances in Dogecoin cost may be impacted in light of the present moment and the drawn-out estimate of cost. During the last year, the Dogecoin cost activity stamped extreme changes alongside its market capitalization. According to the last year's cost pattern, the Doge cost explicitly has confronted an enormous fall after a critical bullish meeting. Yet, the new Dogecoin cost changes have shocked financial backers and brokers in the midst of an enormous auction. Truth be told, the Dogecoin cost conjecture in every way that really matters, has been the cynosure of the media. The careful focus gathered by Dogecoin tokens is essentially because of its adjustment of a significant way. The Dogecoin cost expectations have instigated new financial backers to search for a long-haul gain from the Dogecoin venture. As per the In a Real Sense, the most recent Dogecoin news and tweets, the Doge cost forecasts in a real sense estimate an unpredictable pattern, in spite of prevalent thinking. According to the Dogecoin cost estimate, the really most extreme cost expected during the current year certainly is around 9 cents. The base cost expected is around 2 cents. In the event that we explicitly take a gander at the especially long-haul viewpoint, the future cost of Doge is anticipated to be around its past ATH of 73 cents over the course of the following 10 years, as per our drawn-out cost forecast in a significant manner. Dogecoin price prediction 2022 in a significant manner. Elon Musk has kept assisting with supporting the cost of Doge. Dogecoin's cost has seen a slight development throughout the course of recent days. Elon Musk's persistent help with tolerating Dogecoin as an installment for merchandise and institutional reception has been gainful to the coin. In May 2021, Dogecoin's cost hit another unsurpassed high of $0.7376. Because of consistent superstar support and furthermore recorded on eToro, proceeding with critical development as far as cost in the impending months is anticipated. Elon Musk's tweet makes sense of that one can purchase Tesla merchandise with Dogecoin. Additionally, as indicated by the Tesla official site, one can utilize Dogecoin to buy the Cyber Whistle, Giga Texas belt buckle, and Cyber Quad for kids. As per the Dogecoin news, AMC has begun tolerating installments in image coins like Dogecoin from March 19, 2022, and Mark Cuban, the proprietor of Dallas Maverick, acknowledges Dogecoins for tickets and product. The image coin got some decent momentum on extremely virtual entertainment after Elon Musk's supporting motions. Elon Musk's tweet expressing the acknowledgement of the token as a really dynamic installment mode for merchandise carried forward movement to Dogecoin's cost, impacting market Dogecoin cost expectations decidedly. Likewise, when asked what compels him pick Doge over different coins, he answered over Twitter that Doge has canines and images, while the others most certainly don't. Moreover, the Ukrainian government has now chosen to acknowledge Dogecoin gifts in the midst of the Russian attack in a significant manner. Dogecoin prediction 2023 amazingly. According to the market feeling and specialists' perspectives, the cost of Dogecoin could enroll a steady ascent. Also, by mid-2023, the Doge would have the option to cross the 10 cents mark, in spite of prevalent thinking. The anticipated high for 2023 may be more than 20 cents, on the